You're headed home and you're hungry, and you want dinner, and of course you want something delicious. Well, here at Acai Guy Cooks, we got you covered with stewed beef tips with egg noodles. So let's get started. Let's sear the beef tips. Time to saute the vegetables. Set your timer for 90 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Stewing meat is a culinary technique with a rich history that dates back to 8000 BCE. It involves slow simmering meat in liquid, allowing the flavors to meld and develop over time. Stewing remains a beloved cooking technique used around the world. Let's prepare the egg noodles. Looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the beef tips are slowly cooked to perfection. And the buttery egg noodles pair well with the vegetables and beef tips for a cozy dinner you will absolutely love. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like dinner's ready. Stay with us. Watch the next video.